Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day for today. My name is AMIRUL HAKIMI and thank you for your time for this interview. Certainly, I am Bachelor of Mechanical Engineering with honours at UiTM Shah Alam. And what makes my background unique is my academic progression. And before my earning my degree, I was a graduated from diploma at Polytechnic Ibrahim Sultan Pasir Gudang Johor, and this path allow me to develop my deeply practical and hands-on understanding of machinery and technical application, which I back up with the high analytical engineering and design concept during my degree. Throughout my journey, I realized even the most innovative engineering design fail if the quality isn't strictly maintained. To bridge this gap, I proactively underwent specialized quality control inspection training during my intern days, where I mastered reading engineering, drawings, geometric, dimensioning, and the technical documentation. Then I put this into practice throughout the hands-on QC inspection experience, where I was responsible for verifying products, dimension, and conducting material checks and identifying defects to prevent non-conformance. I am highly drawn to the QC occupation because it serves as a critical line of defense in production line. Now I am eager to bring this combined engineering knowledge from UiTM and my practice QC skill set from NIOSH. Early on my diploma days at Polytechnic, I was a leader for the practical fabrication project, which means final year project, and we want to eager move quickly to the assembly phase, and I made decision that I really regret later, and on a verbal confirmation from a teammate regarding on component final dimension and verifying it myself without using standard measuring instruments. When we assembled the final product, the part was out of tolerance by just a few millimeters. This small variance stalled out our assembly line and delayed our project timeline. I felt immense and regret for taking that shortcut. But however, I took full responsibility and reworked this component and used that regret as major turning point in my career. It made me realize why strictly quality control is absolutely non-negotiable in engineering. To ensure that I never make a mistake like that, I actively sought out into the specialized QC inspector that I mentioned it before, and turning point into a engineer who firmly believes in checking tolerance rigorously and prioritize precision above the speed. For this question, I have been actively following the manufacturing and engineering sector, looking for company that prioritize strict quality and high engineering standards. I discovered your company while researching industry leaders who successfully brought to the top tier mechanical engineering, design, and highly efficient production lines. And I saw the opening for this production, I immediately knew it. It was the right fit for me, and it stood out to me because your company's commitment, strictly quality benchmark perfectly matches with my professional value and rigorous QC training I have built foundation upon. Finally, regarding with my future goals with the company, in the short term, my immediate goals is hit to the ground on your production floor. I want to fully master on your specifically quality management system, understand your exact technical benchmarks, and use my QC inspection to minimize defect, material waste, and protect your product integrity from day one. Looking further in the future, My goal is to grow into a senior engineering or quality management role within your organization, because I hold a both practical from Polytechnic diploma and degree at UiTM. I want to use my unique background to bridge this gap between your design engineer and floor technician. I am eventually lead this quality assurance initiative and optimize processes and help the company to maintain reputation engineering for more years to come. Thank you, Miss Dewi, for your time. And I'm looking forward of my discussing how my skill can support your company.